Hey guys, please make sure you stand till the end. People make one common mistake that will destroy the engine. You will end up rebuilding or replacing it, which can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW X3 X4 generation F25 F26. If you want to see how to remove, replace radiator fans, stay with us. There is trick how to do that guys. Most people do not know about it, and if you don't, you may end up damaging things that can cost you hundreds and even thousands of dollars in repairs. It should work on X3 X4 from year 2010 to year 2018. Now, if you guys, by the way, need to buy any parts tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us guys tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you guys how to fix multiple things. We fix engines, we fix guys transmissions, we fix bodywork. We show you how to fix engine codes, fuses, relays. We take them completely apart. We make at least 200 videos on every car. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can by providing that information. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We guys have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools, to fix your cars, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Let's start on it now. So what we guys need to do now, the first step, you need to disconnect the cable, the main cable for the fan. You see right here, that's the cable. You need to keep your fingers out of the fan, it can turn on at any time. So let me just disconnect it and I will show you quick guys, okay, how you do that. You see these two things, okay, right there. You need to press them at the same time and pull it out. If it's stuck, press them. Push down all the way because you have that rubber yellow seal, then press and then release. Now here on top we have one screw that we need to remove, okay, that holds the fan. Let's go ahead, do that one quick, and I'll show you we have one more that's a little bit hidden. Careful not to drop them guys. Okay, that's what we are doing now. Okay, it's out, just like this one. Now, we have exactly the same thing. Let me just get an extension quick because there is one more that we need to do. And that one is for the transmission cooler right here. See that screw? That's the one that we need to go ahead and remove too. So let's go ahead, do that one now. And that should come out. You just have to be careful not to move things around too much. Okay, perfect. I dropped the screw there. Great. Now, here we're going to pull that one a little bit to the side. Let me see if it has enough room to come off. Okay, make sure we don't have another thing holding it in place. Okay, it looks like, okay, just to make sure we don't have another one too guys, because it doesn't want to, oh, it did move. I guess it did move. Let me see. It looks like we have something else still holding it there. So let me inspect quick and we'll continue. So guys, here now under that hose, once we remove it, we will clearly show you guys, but there is one plastic clip that we need to press on. And when we do that, okay, we should be able to grab on that fan. Okay, and the fan. Okay, let me see. I hope it popped back in place. The fan should start going up. Give me a second. Okay, here to figure it out guys. So okay, so we know exactly what we are doing here. Okay, let me see on this side if we got everything going on this side, if it's pre-loosening. It looks like on this side it's getting loose. Only thing that's still holding is on this side here, and I see that clip here. Okay, so I'll try to push it in again. Let me see if it has one more somewhere holding it in place, because I think that's actually the only one, guys, holding there. I think it is the only one, the only piece holding there. But it looks like it's still stuck some. So guys, that was the only thing holding right here, that clip right there. So we pushed on it, we'll show you once we get it out. The cooler separated from the radiator fan. Now, that's the oil hoses right here, guys, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead, okay, and release those, okay? Perfect. And we will see, okay, we might leak oil, so be ready, guys, okay? Be ready to collect it if you leak some. Be careful not to drop anything there as well. But here, okay, one bolt is out. We'll gently pull those things up. One more on this side. Okay, oh, a few drops, but that's pretty good. Now we have all that space. Let me see now here, okay. We're going to hold the hoses there, and we're going to attempt to pull it out now here. Let's see if we can, if we have enough room to do it, or we need to remove the cross member piece right here, because it might be in the way too. So guys, here now, we're going to remove that upper cross member piece on that BMW here, the X3 X4. Okay, because otherwise we have to disconnect the hose. It will be a big mess to drain the coolant. So we will see if we can do that. So we have 4 bolts on each side. Okay, and we have, how many more? We have 3 in the middle right here. Those are with smaller ones, by the way. So let me see now. Once we pre-loosen them. Okay, let me get the smaller one now. The smaller ones are right here with the 25s, I believe, or 30, Torx 30, guys. Okay, let me grab it quick. Okay, this one's loose. This one's loose. And this one here, later you need to adjust everything where it used to be, okay? The same way. So let me get this, because I will not be able to get them with the impact. One on this side. And we have some here as well. The other ones I might be able to just quickly deal with the impact. Just careful not to drop them, of course. And one on this side, we come on that side, we do exactly the same thing. All right. Give me a second, that one came out, and that crossbar piece, okay, is out of here. You can see just like this one. Now the radiator fan, you gently grab it, gently, 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 and let's see if we will be able to come out here. What else is holding in place? A radiator hose a little bit needs to be pushed out of the way on one side, hose on the other. Okay, and that fan, guys, came out check this thing out. Just like this one, radiator fan is out of the car. So guys, that's how we remove the fan on that BMW X3 X4. If you want to see how to test radiator fan on BMW even without removing it, guys, check out the video. It will be on our YouTube channel. It will teach you how to do that. We have multiple videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Now, fans are expensive, but we recommend to go with original stuff because sometimes with aftermarket ones we had problems, not always, but you may end up having one. That's a pretty complicated fan right here, guys, with multiple speeds. That's why we have a video on the channel that will explain how to test it if you need help with that, guys. But hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.